What's up, gamers, and welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank, the 2016 game, which is currently the most recent one that's out so far. Just to clarify, it is not the prequel to Rifts Apart. I'm just playing this one because this is the only one I can actually get on PlayStation 5. The prequel to Rifts Apart is Into the Nexus. But yeah, last episode we got a few upgrades, we got some new guns. Hopefully this episode, well, I'm hoping we can level up Zircon, I believe its name is Zircon, and the fusion grenade. They're the two that we kind of want to max out. That being said, actually we're pretty close, so I reckon we can, but I don't actually remember what we're doing on this planet. I think we're here to destroy something, or I think we'll destroy those. I actually forgot what we're doing on this planet, but hopefully we'll get this done, and then after be able to move on to the Ranger Park, which we do need to do. Yeah, Zircon. I'm kind of looking for... Oh, wait, we're back here. I know where we are.
We have reached our destination.
I'm looking forward to seeing what our upgrades will turn into for the fusion grenade and Zarkon. I literally just said his name. I've already forgotten it.
Here we are. All right, let's pop the hood and get you that weapon system. Reinstalling weapon software. Rebooting system. Done.
Tesla Blast weapon kit detected. Happy hunting.
Well, there we go. We got a... I swear there used to be a game where you could actually... Oh, there's the name of it. I swear there used to be a game where you used to be able to edit your ship. Maybe it's one of the earlier ones. I swear I'm not going crazy on that one.
Shoot down those Qwark saucers. They'll drop ammo and health for you to pick up.
Oh no, it's got the reverted camera. Oh, I forgot about this. I forgot it's reverted controls. It is going to take me a little bit to get used to the... I'm terrible with the reverted controls. Okay, so X is boost. It's painful. It really is. I'm just not... I've never been good at reverted controls. Whoops. Well, now I know what the missiles do. Am I supposed to aim into this? I am. Probably shouldn't run into it like that. Come on. But did it have a health? I didn't even see the health bar. Attack what? Oh, me. Oh no! I keep trying to move down to move up, but
All systems restored.
me, we're getting there. Alright, there we go. Oh no! Oh god. You move so... I know. You move... Oh, I'm really far out. Oh my, hello. I feel so far out. Well, I am really far out. I mean, like... I feel like I'm moving so slow is what I meant. Excuse me? I just got kamikazed into. Rude. Where is it? We're getting there. Oh my god. I'm literally never going to get used to it. It's physically impossible for me to get used to reverted controls, but I don't think I can change... Oh, wait, am I be able to change? You know what? I'm not even going to... I was going to see if I can maybe change it, but it's fine. Alright, well, anyway, let's go to the last one. If I can... Oh wait, we already hit this one, didn't we? So, there we go. Ease peas. And the last not... Oh, no, I missed it. God damn. I even know they're reverted and I still don't do it. I tried to move down then, I went up. It just mind fucks me too much. But hey, easy peas. We did it.
That was incredible! Say, if you two need any more upgrades, I'm your guy. How about a new thruster pack? I just downloaded the holo plans last night and they are sweet.
That certainly sounds useful.
Recalibrating the avionics port.
Yo, he's giving us upgrades? Wait, maybe this is what I'm thinking about. I have to double check.
Still updating. And presto. She's all ready for you.
Look at his arms. They kind of look funny.
License to operate one of these beauties. But what the heck? You two are galactic rangers. It should help you access those pumping stations.
Oh, got jetpacks now. Wait, I wanna enter. Okay, I can't talk to him then. Oh yeah, this is cool. I was not expecting to go use them as a
Security barrier disabled.
turbo spinner.
Perhaps we can find our way into the pumping station now.
No, it doesn't really do much for me. I feel like I go so slow. Yeah, let me go turbo. That was not gonna lie. Hey, that was kind of amusing to watch. Oh, we're going somewhere. I'm not touching you.
Oh, that smells terrible.
Alright, well, anyway. Goal is to try and level these up. Wait. Oh. Wait, can I? Okay, so we're supposed to lower this, I'm guessing. So I'm guessing the way to lower it is most likely in here, right? Hey, when... At least this almost one-shots him. Look at him go. Yeah, this seems like it's a little bit too much water to be filling in on this, but hey, well, what would I know? I feel like there's a lot more water that could fit inside the my thing's not that big. Anyway. More bolts. We want all the... I mean, I don't know how many more guns we have left, but actually, I don't even know how far through the story I am. I really don't know how far through the story I am. It's not... Okay, it's not a blocked one. Wait, it is a blocked one. Oh, what? I don't actually know what I'm doing. Why is there only one laser? What am I going to do with one laser? Am I supposed to just line all these up or something? Oh my god. The controls are going to be the death of me. I'm so confused what it is I'm supposed to be doing here. Oh, the lasers were hidden. I definitely knew that. I was testing, seeing if you guys were actually aware of what was going on. Definitely knew what was going on. Oh, now this doesn't help me. Uh-huh. Maybe you there. Wait, this thing has me confused. I feel like that's definitely there. Oh, I just turned them all off. There we go. God, I was so confused then. It wasn't difficult. I was just confusing myself. Well, don't know what that was, but he's no more. Wait.
Perhaps we should try that hydro displacer.
Yo. Wait, what am I doing? Well, I don't... I just keep... I'm so confused where I'm supposed to be going exactly. Like, I'm trying to use what it's telling me to, but it doesn't jump high enough. Can I... Oh, that's not what I want to do. Though it is handy knowing that that's how I get to it.
Perhaps we should try that hydro displacer.
Oh no shit, Sherlock. Thanks for telling me. Hydro displacer. Oh, I know what I'm doing. I don't know the names of them clearly. But yeah, now I get what I... Now, we had to lower the water. We had to lower the water to get that door open. But now that the door's open, I definitely knew that. Definitely. I'm recording this really late. My brain is just switched off at this point. Hello? Why am I stuck on that? Whoop, probably shouldn't stand. Probably again. Where's my Zarkon? There we go. I won them all. Look at all the bolts for. That is so satisfying watching. It always is. Oh wait, I should probably. But they are just everywhere. One more left. Okay, we got some more. Unfortunately, I am definitely almost out. But he runs out really quick. But there we go, look at all my bolts. It's so glorious watching them all just fly at you. Alright. Turbo speed we go. Hello? Oh, what was it? Oh, I see. I thought for some reason like went weird and didn't like went back in, but no. It's just bringing the whatever they're called platforms in and out. I'll take that. Oh great. Haha, that worked. Oh, hello. I honestly did not see the carpet till I switched around. I'll take it though. Wait, I want to actually check something. Do we actually have a pack? Because we're actually get. Oh, I accidentally skipped that. We didn't get any dupes. No, nothing changed. Alright, we didn't get any packs completely finished. Alrighty. I feel like you're there, right? If you're there, then the far one, right, is this one moves one. And then you block that, so I feel like you have to go somewhat there. Either way, these two lasers seem like they just don't do anything. Uh-huh. Oh my God. It was really just trying to be annoying, isn't it? That one kind of has to go there. And then it blocks... Uh-huh. And then it blocks... Oh wait, no, it's not. It's this one that's blocking. No matter how I look at it, there's always this one blocking something. I mean, this laser's open one laser. And that leads to nothing. That blocks that. I'm just trying to see which way this way works, where it's not blocking something. This is like the only time when that one's not blocking anything. Let me get rid of all these and I can just figure out what it is I'm looking with. Because I feel like... Is that... This laser here just is always blocking something. Unless not all the lasers are supposed to be working.
Maybe the auto-hack program could save some time.
Nah, I would rather do it myself, honestly. That way it works, because it's not blocking anything from that side. It's this one. Mm-hmm. So it is blocking something. I really don't know. I'm so confused. No matter what I do, this is always blocking something. Yeah, it's blocking that. See, this is the only way it works out, which means the middle one will have to be moved. Maybe that works. No, 'cause that blocks that. So that has to go there. There we go. It's a lot easier when I move the lasers. When there's so many lasers just on the screen, it just makes things so... Oh. It just makes things so disorientating. Like, you just cannot tell what's left and right at all.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Bap. Bap. I one way. I'm going to get a one way. Ooh. Bang. Oh, damn, didn't hit it. Mr. Zircon will live. Probably just, I'm literally just wasting ammo, but I want everything. Of course, there's still one left. Why wouldn't there be one left? That worked. Okay. I didn't though. Oh wait, I can... Technically don't have to wait. I can just fly, swim near them and they actually explode, but... just send them all off. Whoa, look at all my coins. Yes, gimme, gimme. See, it's just glorious watching them all. Alright, well. Is there anything here where I'm... Nope. Oh no, this could have been 10 out. Yeah, I'm about to say, I'm literally blocked in. Look at them all. I mean, we're making so many bolts in here. Oh, I should probably go up for some air. Yeah, we're good. We should be able to, like, straight up get a gun next time we can buy one, right? Well. Okay, I can just... Oh. Come on, let's... Alright, we need to find more ammo for this gun. Of course, Zarkon's gone already. Oh, Zircon, same thing. Yeah, oh, we got some ammo. Look at him go. It just does... I know. I want to see what happens when he gets maxed out. I am curious. I feel like he's just going to absolutely just slaughter everything. Alright, anyway. Turbo speed again. Did you get so dizzy just spinning around on that constantly? Oh, what is this? Oh. I was wondering what that was.
Now I can finally breathe underwater.
I mean, technically I already could kinda. But I was just limited to what I could breathe. Alright, well anyway. Oh. No idea where I need to go now. Also, what am I looking for exactly? I was just in there, right? I think so. Oh, hello. And you thought I wouldn't see you. No, we've got 12. We actually unlocked some stuff. We'll go and check it after this. I need to see what it is I'm actually underwater for. Blow up. Give me my bolts. I wonder if we're supposed to go back. Maybe we'll go back. We'll see where it is. Maybe they know where I need to go. I have to. It's too satisfying. Oh. Yep. But we should get out of range of it. There we go. What's in here? Ooh. Did we find a cave? Oh, wait. Oh, I was about to say, did we just find literally the middle of nowhere? Hey, we leveled up! They're trying to jump me. Will never happen. I wonder if there's even anything over here, or am I literally just running over here because I can?
Why do you hide, sticky aliens? Mr. Zircon only wishes for to kill you.
Well, that went a little too far. And once again, we're out of ammo.
Mr. Zircon cannot be destroyed. I shall
And you know, oh, okay, we've got a few more left.
Mr. Zircon lives only to kill. These are the moments Mr. Zircon lives for.
There's another one over there. I mean, look, we're getting close to leveling it up. As I said, like, once I've leveled up a gun, I'm going to try and level up, because I want to try and level up all of them. That's why you don't really see me use my Magna one anymore. Magma. Though I still do use it, just obviously when I'm out of ammo for everything else. Why are you here? Yep. Wrong gun. Oh no, I fell. I mean, that still would have done so much damage to it anyway. Go! Boom! Hey, there we go! Got another bolt!
Qwark and I are on Poketaru. We just stopped Drek from siphoning the planet's water supply.
Alright, while we're here... Oh, I've done everything. Oh, this is what I meant to click on. Cora? You're a dupe, I'm pretty sure. I meant to click on this. Not you.
Without me? I mean, that's
This is bleached. Hello, I see you hiding here.
to assault Drek Industries and put in
This is bleached. I'm just looking at them all. I like looking at these things. Oh, also, one thing I'll show it after this.
Copy that.
Interesting graphics. They also kind of annoy my eyes, so I'm gonna get off this one. Old-fashioned? Black and white. I keep pressing the wrong button. Black and white Ratchet Clank. Interesting. Silver. I'm pretty sure you're just you're literally just a worse version of black and white. Okay, well, not you. Sapphire. This is like an old fashion of, I believe. Didn't I used to? Oh no. We're going back to none. What's nail? Rare mineral. Let's try this. Let's look at it. Also, I got this last time. I'm a T-Rex. The head kind of looks funny, not gonna lie, but that is the head. Alright, anyway. Now why does it feel like that my screen's like permanently... Yo! Interesting. Okay. I need this. My Zircon's gonna level. We need to get him his crystal. Also, there's definitely some more stuff down here that I can blow up. I'll admit, it's kind of handy being able to look at all the coins. I will admit, the noise of them coming back sounds kind of cool. It sounds kind of cool. Alright, anyway. Wrong thing. So what's on the... Oh, nothing there, alright. Why do I feel like the graphics are still looking weird? Maybe that's just me. Alright, anyway, let's go back to the ship. I think we've pretty much done everything on this island. I need to actually remember how... I don't even know where I am at this point. I think yeah, I have no idea where we even traveled to. We're just gonna run back and figure it out. Hopefully we're not super far away from where I was. Wait, I think I see it. I think we're good. It's probably not quicker jumping at all, honestly. So with some games when you jump it kind of does slow you down a little bit, but oh well, I'm already jumping. Alright, while I'm here, definitely need to stock up on some more ammo. Great, I just accidentally used it again. Alright, anyway. Pretty sure we've done everything on this island now. Yeah, we've got all our stuff. Alright, anyway, let's go to the Rangers place. Where we originally were going to go. Qwark. Looks...
Alright, Rangers. Our plan of attack is simple. Halo drop into...
Oh, look at his... Lovely. I love his drawings.
And take Drek into custody so we can be home in time for waffles. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, waffle! Ah, that's good.
Wait, that's our plan?
Yes, it is.
Pardon me, Captain, but Chairman Drek is cunning. He will be prepared for our assault.
Look, I think it is beyond adorable that you decided to do all this homework. But big heroes do big things.
Yeah, that's why he's made me do all the suicidal missions.
In favor of kicking in Drek's front door with a massive
He's
arsenal
all
restoring peace to a
bite, no, wait, he's all bark, no bite. There we go, that's the word to it.
All those in favor of nerding it up here with some pie charts say nay.
Nay.
Motion passes. We assault Drek Industries tonight.
I'm
Lock and load, Rangers. Sit up and rally in the
just
amphitheater.
the last planet? I maybe? Maybe not? I don't know.
Let's bring it in.
I guess we'll find out.
Remember, our target is Chairman Drek. Ready, Rangers? On the count of 3.
Definitely not 3.
3.
All right, pal. You ready? Well,
I mean, this would be fun. I mean, I guess probably like skydiving, give or take, minus the jetpack that's pretty much zooming you down to the ground. Qwark really does not like being upstaged, like, ever.
Ratchet to Rangers. I've landed in Core 2, but I ran out of jetpack fuel.
Rex and I are heading over to the complex. We'll split up and keep radio contact.
Alrighty.
Good luck, team.
Oh,
Qwark Industries is up ahead. Let's move.
we got one. We got the chick with us. Oh, you little sly. Mine. Yeah, I don't know if this is the last level or not. Oh, what is this? Launches jagged spinning discs that arc through the air, bouncing around between enemies and walls to wreak havoc. Damn, we're just off on it too. Damn, I wanted it. All right, well. I barely made that.
Enemies up ahead. I'll cover you.
Oh, these little mechanical chicken dog things. I mean, we're close. Maybe if we clean up all this, we'll get our gun. Actually, I still haven't even tested out the... Why does my Zircon keep... There we go. Now we'll stop some of these little chicken things. Oh, there's another one. There we go. Zircon never came out, unfortunately.
I'll hit the switch. Wait here.
We're just 1,000 off getting it. Come on.
Versa bridge activated. Try crossing now.
Going. Yeah, I am.
Careful.
Wait, does it tell us, infiltrate the factory? Is really all it tells us to do. Alright, well. I mean, I'm well ahead of you.
Heads up. We got some flyers.
We always have flyers. Ooh. Are they locking onto me? Oh, not one of these things again. Oh, great. I'm going to be here forever.
See the last of Mr. Zircon.
Because they're so annoying, these turrets. You. The last one will be used for that. There we go. I got myself some more ammo for it. Excuse me. Just shot it over him.
Two left. Last one.
Oh. Let's get Zircon to finish him off. There we go.
Not bad for a rookie.
I mean, we could go back and get my gun if I wanted to. I want it.
Any ideas on a point of entry?
Ratchet, the last time I was here, I used the
Oh, we got up.
communication vents to
Mine.
escape. Perhaps we could now use them to get into the factory.
We're doing something.
Thinking, Clank.
Actually, I should go back and get some more ammo too while I'm at it. Oh wait, the thing's all okay. Don't worry. I was gonna say let's go back and get some ammo, but it is pretty far back. Oh, let's just make sure we get all the bolts. I want them. Oh, there we go. This is what we need because we have absolutely no health left. I may have taken a little too many hits from the turret. The turret's just a pain in the arse, though. Is that another one?
Any ideas?
I believe I may be of assistance here.
Where? Oh, in here, right.
Look, over there. Be careful in there, Clank.
He's so adorable.
Come in, Rangers. I am inside Drek Industries.
Ew, there's all lava. Oh. Who's it? I mean, I guess it is a factory.
I wish I was in that vent with you. Curse these
No guns, though, unfortunately.
There's a security terminal just north of your position.
Oh, hello.
Shut it down, and the Rangers should be able to access the building.
Let me in. Oh, no. There's definitely a way in there, for sure. Everyone just have that there to tease and then not be able to get it.
Please state your current position. Assistant
And
Nelly. List relevant
there we go. What's this?
doing back here.
Where you going? Thing just ran off of me. Rude.
There must be a way through this room.
There we go. I think this is the right way to go. Also, can I destroy these? They look really different. There's definitely something in here. Yeah, can you blow it up? No, definitely not. Oh, maybe it was worth a try. It was definitely worth a try. I think I know what I need to do, though. There we go. So what we need you back. And we need you as the bounce pad.
Attention, all warbots. A bug in your system settings has been
Hello?
discovered. You should never add flowers to your battery packs. You should add power. Please see your nearest engineer.
Oh no, this is what I want.
Upgrade.
There we go.
Engineers, mandatory typing classes have now been ordered by Chairman.
There we go. Now we're good. What do you want me to do with this? Oh, I know what. Oh, wait. Let me go back here for a second. I think I know what it is that I'm after now, right? Is that how I open this? Oh no, there's no switch there. Okay, don't worry. False alarm. I just wanted to check. Well, it's gonna take that one, but apparently we can't use it. I'm gonna grab this one. I'm gonna feel bad letting him fall in. Oh, I almost fall in. Hey, there we go. Oh.
Supposed to be in here? You'd better leave before Chairman Drek finds you.
I know what to do now. This is what this is for. I want the card. I'm going to get the card.
Warbot Platoon 774 has successfully completed training and is ready for action. Congratulations.
There we go.
Go out there and
Can't see anything because I'm too small. What if that target does anything? Probably not. I wouldn't see why it would do anything, but who knows? I could be wrong. Alright, now I've got to go and get another one. Clank needs some weapons of his own. I wonder if he ripped a... Oh, great, I need this thing again. He has little baby arms. He barely threw that, poor thing. Did not make it very far at all. was considering maybe jump throwing it, but I don't think that would have done anything either.
All done.
Alrighty, well. Mime. Look at them all. His little slap. Gimme, gimme. Also, my health bar, I'm guessing that is. Alright, anyway. I swear, they just keep coming out of the woodworks, the bolts. Like, you think you collect them all, and then it just seems to be like a million more that just come out of nowhere. I was wondering if there's something. I don't think there is anything up there. I can't even jump the distance. My legs are too small. Yeah, okay, I definitely don't think there's anything up there. Just want to at least double check anyway. Uh-huh. Have fun.
Oh my.
It's not going to drop, is it? It's not. Okay, good. About to say, I don't think it's going to turn out. Oh. Yeah, we're at the airport. Why is this a thing? I'm gonna get distracted to it. Oh, there's okay.
Is attempting to keep me from reaching the security terminal.
Understood. Ilaris, carpet bomb the factory with blast mines.
I think it's probably safer if we let Clank handle things.
I would prefer that as well.
No. Wait, I have to go. Okay, apparently I have to go this way. Sure, I guess I've got. Don't really have a choice at this point. We do need a lot of different ones, eh? You are the bounce pad one. We need to. There we go. God, we need to get all those doorways open. There's another one somewhere. Man, I know where one is, but I don't know how to get to it is the thing. That doesn't open. Yeah, I see like where it is that I need to go. But I don't quite see how to get there.
Attention, all warbots.
I'm gonna borrow you for a second.
Would like to thank you for your hard work. Ice cream sandwiches will be served in the cafeteria this afternoon from 1:10 to 1:15 p.m. Also, a friendly reminder that there is a mandatory meeting for all warbots.
We need like 5 of them.
On deck B. Any warbots not attending will be destroyed.
Excuse me? Rude. They're all just launching up at once. Uh-huh. I feel like that's not what I'm supposed to do then, right? I wonder.
Perhaps I should try placing a gadget-bot on that conveyor belt.
Oh, you sneak! I don't know why that didn't even occur to me. Actually didn't even occur to me at all. Rude. Give me all the coins. Look at them all. Mine. What is this? Go. Uh-huh. No, this makes a little bit more sense. Alright, let's get you back. Because now I've got this door open that we don't actually have to worry too much about it. Oh, don't want the bounce pad. Let's get you. Hello? Come with me. Alright, this thing can go back over there. Ooh, almost ran in again. Wait, I think I know how to do it. I didn't realize there's one of these on this side. I see how to do it. Whether I actually do it or not is a completely different question. Hello? Oh, little bridge! The bridge is very awkward. There we go. Yeah, the bridge is being very awkward. Not the case. Okay, so what am I aiming for now then? Oh, you're not. Oh, that's you're not even on the right one. Ugh, of course you're not. There we go. I was wondering what was going on, and that was why. I had it on the wrong one. There we go. Alright, now we're good. Yeah, I was confusing myself so much then. I literally make it more complicated than it needs to be. Alright, well anyway. We're making something. I love how it just bitch slaps the little the switch. He's adorable. Ooh, look, they're more like scrap than they do. Who knows? Maybe they are making something. What? Come on. They want to fight. Bap. Is there anything in here that I can take? Oh, there's another one. I thought there was. I mean, they make it a little easy. There we go. And I'll come back for the last guy. I want them all. Oh, okay, we're versing two of them then. You can like jump and throw at the same time. Oh, there we go. We got hit. Oh no, we got 5 lives on Clank. Oh, I do need another one. All right, back we go. Actually, while we're here, there we go. Back to full health. I was gonna say I wonder if we can level up Clank's health as well, but I feel like probably not. What are you barking? Screaming for? Whatever you call it. It's not very. I'm gonna be honest. It's not a very good factory. They don't even realize I'm just running around in here, probably
Perhaps that magnet can be of
causing more harm than anything. All right, so I need to get up there. It's also a bridge I can make as well. Okay. I need to power that up. It's like a Frogger or whatever it's called. It actually reminds me of Frogger. Though there isn't anything there trying to actually kill me. Oh, hello. I'll take these any day. Oh, there isn't even anything in here. We need to get up there. There's not another doorway. I thought that was maybe another doorway around. There's not. I'm trying to see what there is around here that I can... I guess maybe I can... Oh, I'll be from here. There we go. No, this part doesn't really work out for me because they both go the one way.
I'm gonna lose my job for this mess.
There we go. Now we're good. The fact that they both go the one way isn't the most helpful thing in the world, but I mean, it'll do. So we need the bounce pad to get the second one off. We also need the bounce pad to get that one off too. We'll get this one first. Oh, that works. And grab you in a second. Gonna grab these boxes. Why is it lit up like that? It looks really weird.
I hope Victor doesn't see me like this. I'd never hear the ending.
Just chill. Alright, so we... Oh, I know. Okay, I know what it is then. I don't even need one of these for... I don't need one of these to get that other one. I just need to be on one of the platforms. Grab you.
What are you doing? Are you using that magnet?
Switch.
Property of Drek Industries. What you're doing is well proved. It's coming over to your lair and taking over your...
Alright, so that's where we need to go. Oh, this is getting a little too close. Hello?
Dialing Chairman Drek.
There we go. And then... Put you back. There we go.
Chairman Alonso Drek. I'm away from my post.
Bang.
Probably in a...
Hey, let me down.
It just looks at him and runs away.
Heed my warning, Warbot. You and that terminal are the property of Drek Industries. Don't
Just looks at him with his big puppy dog looking eyes and then just runs off.
Well, don't even think about double-clicking on the security icon and bypassing our systems.
He literally just...
Again! I don't believe this.
Come in, team. I have disengaged the facility's security grid.
Good work, pal. See you back at the factory tarmac.
Alrighty.
Nice work, little buddy. You did well, Clank.
Yeah,
Well, I think on that note, I think this is a good enough area to actually call this episode off. And we'll continue this on. I don't know if this is the last mission or what. I mean, the way it is, it feels like it is, but at the same time, like there is no way that we've already come across 28 golden bolts. Unless it's like endgame stuff, I have no idea. This might be the end part, but I don't know. I feel like the story's gone a little too quick if that is the case. But I mean, I guess we'll find out next episode because we'll finish this. We'll finish this off tomorrow. Well, at least this area off. I don't know if it's the end or not, but we'll find out. But yeah, after I finish Ratchet Clank, like just metaphorically, if we do finish this tomorrow, I'm most likely thinking of moving on to the God of War as well. I mean, I've never played any of the previous games. I've never really gotten well, I wouldn't say I've gotten into it because I've never actually played it, but I've never played it like I've played the Ratchet, like obviously I've played all the Ratchet Clank games, but yeah, God of War is just one I just never played. So I don't know if the story's going to make sense, but I think it'll be fun to at least play that in anyway. And plus, I want to see what it looks like on the PlayStation 5 because from what I've seen of the game, it looks pretty sweet. But yeah, I want to see what it looks like on the PlayStation 5. That being said, I'll be back again tomorrow with another episode of well, this and actually I'll be back later today with another episode of Minecraft Dungeon. We'll be moving on to the hidden room today, so stay tuned for that. We unlocked it in yesterday's video. Surprisingly enough, they actually were very generous with it. They didn't hide it. We actually found it pretty easily, which was actually amazing. But anyway, just quickly before I end off too, if you're not aware, I am doing a giveaway for the Monster Hunter Rise Collector's Edition. If that is something you're interested in, I'll leave a link to it down in the description down below. It's worldwide, free shipping. So if that's something you're interested in, feel free to check it out. I mean, the more things you fill out, the more things you check off, the more tickets you get. That makes more sense. That's probably better English there. But anyway, yeah, and also, I just want to give a huge thanks to all you amazing people that have been supporting the channel, subscribing, liking, commenting, just watching the videos in general. It does mean the absolute world to me. You guys have been absolutely amazing. Without you, this channel would not be where it is today. But yeah, so I just want to know, let you guys know how much I appreciate each and every one of you. And yeah, I'll be back again later today. So until next time, take care and peace out.